In this video we will learn how to create draft. As you can see in the button over here, the draft is used to give an angle to either one of the sides or different sides of an object, and this feature is particularly useful in casting industry or in molding industry, where the cast part or molded part has to be removed once it is produced. So if there is a draft angle given to it, then it is very easily removed. So we will talk about how to create drafts. First of all, I would edit my object and give it a uh, height of around 200 units. Press OK. So in this way it will be more clear to understand the draft feature. If I invoke this draft button over here, and in the references tab, first of all I would have to select the surface or multiple surfaces for which I want to create a draft. For example, if I select this surface over here, then I will be clicking over here to add the hinge. Select this, then select the hinge surface or the surface about which the draft is going to be rotated. Then press this button, this surface as a hinge, and then angle can be given either in the inward direction, material will be removed, or in the outward direction, material will be added, and the angle will be given from here as well. So 25. Similarly, if I want to add more surfaces, I will select this reference tab, then select this individual surface, then press Ctrl and then the surface, like this. So both the surfaces are now drafted at an angle of 25 or less. And if you press OK, the draft will be completed, and this is how the object will look like if I select the top surface. So the object is now created with the draft feature. This feature can also be edited. If I press this edit definition button, and if I need to give it different angles at different locations, I will bring my cursor over this point and then press right click button to add angle. So I can give multiple angles at various locations. For example, at this point my angle is 20 degrees. At this point I will set the angle to be 5 degrees. Similarly, I can add more angles at other locations. At this point I will set it to be 20, or I can add more angles to be 30, or add angle at this location to be 15. So I can add multiple angles at various locations along the draft. Control D. This is a simple way of creating drafts. I can also delete this draft, and I will show you another way to create the drafts, this time using a plane which is in the middle of this section. So I will select top plane, then create a new plane at a distance of 100 units, which is right in the middle of this object. Now if I invoke this draft feature, then my surface upon which draft is to be constructed, then I will click at this location here to select the hinge. Hinge is my rotational plane or axis. So I will select this middle plane this time, and the angle can be changed like this. So same angle will be created for on both sides of the plane. If I want to give it a different angle, I will use this split tab and split by draft hinge, so I can give it different values for the draft, either same value or different value. So this is how we create drafts, and there are many other ways to create complex type of drafts, but we will be restricting to uh, these few settings of the drafts in this lab.